Hi guys, welcome to Citizen Mentors. My name is Ketan. So the TISS results are out. This is video number one. Video number two is going to be all about your interview process. So those who've got call from TISS, congratulations for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to be making a different video altogether as far as to give you guys an idea what to prepare for your interview, what not to prepare for your interview, what are a couple of topics which are like really important as far as TISS interview is concerned. So that's going to be the another video. In this video, we will be talking about the cutoffs and predominantly we will be talking about the courses because most of the time the question is कि sir course तो मतलब भर दिया था, apply तो कर दिया था, but now the dilemma is call तो आया है, but I also have another call. So does it really make sense to kind of apply for this program or not? So this is something we're going to talk about, and we're also going to discuss what kind of career opportunities you can get and what are the cutoff for the respective programs and tests. So this is the slide which can give you a clear-cut idea about the programs and their cutoff. So the HRM program, which is the flagship program of TISS, the cutoff this year is 75. Last year it was this year is 73. Last year it was 75. So there is a reduction of 2 marks. For EWS and OBC, this number is round about 67 marks, right? So cutoff went out by 2 marks. ODCL, as far as my knowledge is concerned, it's around about 68 to 69. But again, when you talk about TISS, all the programs from HRM, if it's like 73, you can kind of do a plus minus of 4 to 5 numbers or 4 to 5 marks for all the other programs whichever are there as far as the TISS is concerned. But on a note of which programs that you should be applying for. So my take on this is, if you are getting call for if these 4 programs, you should be going for it, or rather you should be at least going for your GDP also, or rather I would say you should be actually trying to apply for your interview. See, because HRM program is a fabulous program, there is no doubt about it. HRM program is the best. It's actually second best program in the country as of now. Organizational development and all that, this is the another program which is again valuable. It's sort of a same program. You will be actually dealing in a same domain what the actual HR people are actually getting into. So again, OD जहाँ पे बात होती है, OD is one of the upcoming area. OD is one of the upcoming profile as far as the HR segment is concerned. OD is a part of HR. So definitely if you are going for ODCL, कट ऑफ आपका 4 से 5 मार्क्स कम होगा. बट अगर हम बात करेंगे पैकेजेस के बारे में, पैकेजेस में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है, बट डेफिनेटली प्रोफाइल्स आर गोना बी मोर और लेस, आई वुड से इक्वल, बट यू विल बी हैप्पी विथ the profile. So rather than getting into any average college, right, for HR, if you're getting ODCL, should be fine. Now the same thing is applicable for developmental studies and globalization and labor. So even globalization and labor is one of the renowned program as far as TISS is concerned. Its cutoff is again in the range of around about 63 से लेके 67. I have given you the ballpark number. These are not the exact number because I don't have the information for all the courses and their cutoff. It change होता है, so couple of marks here and there. This number can only give you kind of a decent idea कि अच्छा ये कट ऑफ हो सकता है. 73 is a short thing for HRM flagship program of TISS. उसके बाद आप plus, not plus, but then minus 3 to 4 marks you can do. Fine. Now let's talk about the health kind of a thing. So there are a lot of other colleges, they offer programs in health management. So you have health administration, you've got hospital administration also. So मेरे ख्याल से if you look at the colleges, there is a college called as so Mellinger gives you program in health management. KJ Somai gives you program in health management. So when I look at KJ, Mellinger, and when I look at TISS, if you have an opportunity to actually do your health management or let's say health administration from TISS, I think the best bet would be do it from TISS, because that brand is going to help you a lot, and that's where I think you can kind of take the admission as far as TISS is concerned. Fees bhi bahut kam hoga, ROI is amazing, right? There is something called as social work, public health. There are people, they really kind of keen on doing this kind of course. If you do it, that's fine. There is another kind of a popular program that I come across all the time, which is clinical psychology. I have seen people, those who do their BA in psychology and all that, they tend to go for all this program. But again, this program is not that bad. The program is good, and even the job opportunities, once you are done with this program in the market, the job opportunities are good. Now then what you have is media and cultural studies. It's a decent program. I won't say that it's a fabulous program. It's a decent program. Let's say if you have no other option, right? If you don't have any other option, as far as any other college or any other calls are concerned, and if you really want to make your career in media, you can probably consider this program as a kind of a good bet. So you can go for it. Social entrepreneurship, yeah, there are certain people, they want to go for a kind of an entrepreneurship program. So even if you're not getting the good colleges, I think social entrepreneurship definitely a niche program. There is no doubt about it. But again, if you want to pursue it, you can pursue it. But what are the programs that you can blindly go for? The top 4, these are the programs that you can blindly go for as far as HR is concerned. The growth is good. The industry recognition is amazing. The alumni base is really good. TISS, the brand name is fabulous. That will help you all the time. Another thing that we want to talk about is iska ROI is again going to be really, really superb. Jahan tak iska health administration and health management is concerned, again, that's a good bet that you can have. I had students in the past, those who have actually done MBBS and couple of degrees from the clinical and kind of a medical background, and they have actually gone for the health management and they have done a fabulous thing, right? They're like pretty well placed. So this is something you can kind of keep in mind if at all there is any program from TISS, because TISS offers around about 35 to 40 programs. If at all there is a program that you really want to know कि इसको apply करना चाहिए कि नहीं, what you can do is you can put it on the comment, because इतने सारे program के बारे में हम बात नहीं कर सकते, because there are a couple of programs that are only for certain amount of people. जैसे अभी एक नया program है इनका कुछ analytics में, right? अभी ये analytics वाला जो program है, you might want to take it with a pinch of salt. I will not say directly कि यार आप इसके लिए चले जाओ. So let's say if you have a call from Wellinger का analytics and let's say SMS का analytics, it's better to join them because वो programs थोड़े पुराने हैं. Again, for the fact they have been known as a B school, MBA programs, they already have a lot of MBA programs. I think the opportunities will be much better. I'm not saying this is not a good program, but this is the first year. Let's take some time. अगर कुछ भी option नहीं है और analytics में career बनाना है तो फिर जा सकते हो. But again, मैंने कहा बहुत सारे programs है, they cater to specific people, so we will not talk about that. So guys, this is it from my side. If there is any program that you want to know, you can put the comment. I'll kind of reply on that, and to come up with the cutoff and the future growth on that. So guys, the next video is going to be all about interview process. कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. I will be uploading that video today itself. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and stay connected to TISS ka interview process. Thank you so much.